Hi everybody, welcome to Gaga's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making cracker salad. In case you haven't heard of cracker salad, I had never heard of it until I was introduced to it 2 weeks ago. And now when you get on the internet, it's all over the place. So I thought we would try it today and see how we like it. And the main ingredients is tomatoes and a sheaf of just plain saltine crackers and the little onions, and then I'm going to add a few things to spice it up a little bit. You just simply cut your tomatoes up. This is a salad that has to be eaten when you make it. If you're going to make it for company, you can go ahead and put the ingredients that I'm putting now, and you save your crackers to the very last because you don't want them to get soggy, and of course after a while they would. But right now we're just using our tomatoes, which is basically, I guess everybody's going to the tomatoes right now because spring's coming. And we like to think in that way. I bet this would be breathtakingly good when the tomatoes are on the vines. Now you can cut your tomatoes like any way you want to. I'm cutting mine in just little squares. Okay. Now I'm going to put a few red peppers, or green onions, 2 of them, and 2 eggs, and we'll save that till we put the mayonnaise in. I'm not putting any salt in it right now because of the crackers being so salty. You just add the mayonnaise that you like. I mean, it's up to you, and that looked like plenty. It looked like it's maybe a 1/3 of a cup, and they're very well coated. Just put plenty of salt, pepper in it. And I was thinking, why not a few bacon bits? Now this is the real bacon bits. It's bacon pieces. It's not the artificial ones. It's the real bacon bits. Okay. Now we go for the crackers. You don't have to cook them up fine. It's, you know, they're crackers after all, and they're going to be fine regardless. You know, if you're not a mayonnaise person, and my daughter isn't, I would think that maybe Italian dressing would be good. I'm going to put just a tiny bit more mayonnaise, but not much more. Maybe 1/3 of a cup plus. And there, my friends, is your cracker salad. Let me taste it. I've been waiting for this too. Crackers. Actually, it's quite good. The tomatoes and those crispy crackers are wonderful. Yeah, I'll make it again. Well, this has been fun today to try the new salad, and we'll try something new pretty soon. Remember the joy this week, and we'll see you soon.